Need to turn off your Android phone but not sure which method to use? In this guide, you'll learn 2 quick and easy ways to safely power off your device. Whether you prefer using the physical buttons or the on-screen controls, both methods take only a few seconds and work on most modern Android smartphones. Method 1. Use the side and volume down buttons. On many newer Android devices, pressing and holding only the side power button launches Google Assistant or Gemini instead of opening the power menu. To access the shutdown options, press and hold the side button and the volume down button at the same time. Keep holding them until the power menu appears. Next, tap power off, then tap power off again if prompted to confirm. Your phone will begin shutting down safely. Method 2. Use the quick settings panel. If you'd rather not use the physical buttons, you can power off your phone directly from the quick settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice to fully expand the panel. Locate the power icon near the top right corner, usually beside the search and settings icons. Tap the icon, choose power off, and confirm by tapping power off again if necessary. Your device will then turn off. Powering off your Android device from time to time helps refresh the operating system, clears temporary processes running in the background, and can even fix small performance issues. It's also recommended before removing your SIM card or performing any hardware-related maintenance. That's all you need to do. Now you know 2 simple and reliable ways to power off your Android device. Use whichever method is more convenient and you'll be able to shut down your phone safely whenever needed.